If you are still using ChatGPT just to ask questions, you are missing out on its true power. In this video, I'm breaking down 18 must-know hacks that will turn AI into your personal assistant, business tool, and creative powerhouse. Whether you need better answers, smarter automation, or just a productivity boost, these tips will change the way you work. So let's jump in and start mastering ChatGPT. The first hack you need to know is upload and analyze images with ChatGPT. Because ChatGPT isn't just great with text, it can analyze images too. If you are using ChatGPT 4 Turbo with Vision, you can upload a picture and ask ChatGPT to describe it, analyze details, or even provide insights. For example, you can upload a graph or a chart, and ChatGPT will break it down into simple terms. If you need help with a handwriting note or document scan, it can read and summarize it for you. This is a game changer for students, researchers, designers, and anyone who works with visuals. So start trying uploading an image and let ChatGPT do the thinking for you. Hack number 2, assigning ChatGPT a role for smart responses. Instead of giving vague prompts, tell ChatGPT exactly who it should be. This instantly improves the relevance and accuracy of its answers. For example, instead of asking, how do I market my small business? You can try, you are a digital marketing expert. Create a 3-step strategy to market a small business with a $500 budget. By defining a role, you get expert-level, focused insights rather than a generic advice. Whether you need a lawyer, teacher, or fitness coach, just assign the role and watch ChatGPT deliver smart results. Hack number 3, talk to ChatGPT like a human, not a robot. You don't need to use awkward and robotic prompts because ChatGPT understands natural language just like a real conversation. So instead of saying, generate a summary, 200 words, formal tone, you can just say, can you summarize this in about 200 words with a professional tone? The more natural your prompt, the better the responses. If something isn't right, just ask ChatGPT to tweak it, like you would with a real assistant. Keep it simple, and you will get much better results. Hack number 4, simplifying your prompts for better answers. If you've ever given ChatGPT a long, complicated prompt, and ended up with a messy response, you are not alone. AI isn't a mind reader. Overloading it with too many requests at once leads to confusion and weak answers. And the fix? You can break down your prompts into smaller steps. Instead of asking for an entire business plan in one go, you can start with, give me a market analysis for a coffee shop in an urban area. Once you get that, follow up with, now, draft a budget based on that analysis. By going step by step, you get more accurate, detailed, and structured responses instead of a jumbled mess. This approach lets you refine and adjust along the way, which makes ChatGPT work smarter for you. So, try it next time and see the difference. Hack number 5, refresh ChatGPT's memory for more accurate responses. Have you ever felt like ChatGPT's responses start getting a little off? That's because over time, it collects bits of information from your chats, which can sometimes make its answers inconsistent. The fix for this is simple. You just need to clear its memory. You can head to Settings, Personalization, clear ChatGPT's memory, and it will reset, giving you a fresh and more accurate responses. You can think of it as giving ChatGPT a clean slate, so you get the best possible answers every time. Hack number 6, choose a voice that matches your style. Did you know that ChatGPT can actually speak back to you? If you are using voice mode, you are not stuck with just one robotic sounding AI. You can go to Settings, Speech, and you will find the different voice options. Whether you prefer a professional tone, a casual chat, or something more expressive, picking the right voice makes your ChatGPT experience feel more natural and engaging. You can give it a try and find the one that suits you best. Hack number 7, protect your data and keep chats private. If you're using ChatGPT for work or personal projects, you might not want your chats contributing to OpenAI's model training. The good news is that you can turn this off. Go to Settings, Data Controls, and disable improve the model for everyone. This ensures that your conversations stay private and are not used to fine-tune future AI updates. It's a simple step to keep your information secure while still getting the most out of ChatGPT. Hack number 8. Unlock ChatGPT's full power with advanced features. Most people don't realize that ChatGPT has extra capabilities beyond just answering text prompts. To get the most out of it, go to Settings, customize ChatGPT, and turn on features like browsing for real-time internet access, DALL-E for image generation, and Code Interpreter for advanced calculations and data analysis. By enabling this, you transform ChatGPT from a simple chatbot into a powerhouse tool that can research, generate visuals, and even help with coding all in one place. Hack number 9. Get simple and clear explanations with this trick. Have you ever got a confusing answer from ChatGPT? Here's a simple fix. Just ask it to explain like I'm 10 years old, or break it down in simple terms. This trick works for anything, such as tech jargon, finance, history, or even complex scientific topics. ChatGPT will strip away the unnecessary complexity and give you a response that's easy to understand. If it's still unclear, ask for an even simpler version or a real-world example. Hack number 10. Give ChatGPT more context for smarter replies. Because ChatGPT doesn't know what you are thinking when you chat with it. So, if you want better responses, you need to provide some background. Instead of just asking, write a business proposal, you should try. I run a small graphic design agency that helps startups with branding. Can you write a business proposal for a potential client who needs a new logo or website? The more details you give, the more tailored and useful the responses will be. If ChatGPT's answer feels generic, you can add more context and watch it transform into something much more relevant. Hack number 11. Use the best AI model for maximum accuracy. Because not all AI models inside ChatGPT are the same, and picking the right one makes a big difference. If you are working on detailed research, coding, or creative projects, make sure you are using ChatGPT 4.0 instead of ChatGPT 3.5. Because ChatGPT 4.0 is faster, more accurate, and handles complex reasoning much better. And if you need step-by-step explanations or logical problem solving, use ChatGPT 4.0 for advanced reasoning. If you are just having casual conversations or doing quick tasks, GPT 3.5 might be enough. You can check which model you are using at the top of your chat, and you can switch to ChatGPT 4.0 now to unlock the best performance. Hack number 12. Save and reuse winning prompts. Have you ever crafted the perfect prompt that got an amazing response, only to forget how you worded it the next time? So don't waste time trying to remember or recreating it from scratch. You should save your best prompts in a document, such as the Notes app or even a Notion database. Whenever you find a prompt that gives incredible results, you can copy and paste it into your personal prompt library. Over time, you will build a collection of go-to prompts for different tasks, whether it's writing emails, generating content, brainstorming ideas, or coding. So the next time you need a similar response, just pull up your saved prompt, tweak it if needed, and let ChatGPT do the rest. It's one of the easiest ways to work smarter and boost your productivity. Hack number 13. Ask for step-by-step guidance for complex tasks. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a big task and didn't know where to start? ChatGPT can break down any process into clear, step-by-step instructions. Instead of asking a broad question like, how do I start a freelance business? You should try, can you give me a step-by-step guide to starting a freelance business, from setting up my profile to finding my first client? This ensures that ChatGPT structures its response in a logic, easy to follow way. If the answer still feels too general, keep refining it. Ask for more details on a specific step or request an example. This hack makes even the most complicated topics feel manageable. Hack number 14. Show ChatGPT an example to get a perfect result. If ChatGPT's responses don't match what you are looking for, don't just rephrase your prompt. Show it an example. So instead of saying, write me a professional email, you can try, here's an example of the tone I want. Here you can insert your sample email. Now, write a new one based on this style. This works for everything: blog posts, ad copy, resumes, and even code formatting. The more specific your example, the better ChatGPT can mimic the tone, structure, and style. Think of it as giving AI a template to follow. It makes a huge difference. Hack number 15. Take ChatGPT anywhere with a mobile app. Because why limit yourself to using ChatGPT only on your computer? With a mobile app, you can access AI-powered assistance anytime, anywhere. For example, if you need help drafting an email while commuting, or want to brainstorm ideas while waiting in line, just open the app and type, or better yet, use voice input for a hands-free interaction. The mobile version also syncs with your desktop chats, so you can pick up where you left off. Whether you are working, studying, or just need quick answers, having ChatGPT in your pocket is a game changer. Hack number 16. Turn ChatGPT into your personal planner. If you are struggling to stay organized, ChatGPT can be your personal planner to help you structure your day, set priorities, and manage deadlines. You can ask it to create a daily schedule, meal plan, or even a workout routine based on your goals. And if you need a travel itinerary, just tell ChatGPT your destination and preferences, and it will map out a full itinerary in seconds. For students and professionals, it can also help break down big projects into manageable steps. The ChatGPT as your AI assistant, staying on top of your tasks has never been easier. Hack number 17. Create stunning AI images in seconds. If you need high-quality visuals for a project, social media, or just for fun, you can use OpenAI's image generation tool, DALL-E, to help you create custom images instantly. No design skills required. You just need to describe what you want in detail, like a futuristic city skyline at sunset, or a watercolor painting of a cozy coffee shop, and DALL-E will generate multiple variations. For even better results, specify the style, color scheme, or lighting you want. This is perfect for content creators, marketers, or anyone who wants unique visuals without the hassle of designing from scratch. Our final hack is to customize ChatGPT to work your way. Did you know that you can make ChatGPT respond exactly how you like? By using the custom instructions feature, you can tell ChatGPT about your preferences, writing style, or the type of responses you want. For example, if you are a freelancer, you can set it to always provide structured and professional answers. If you prefer concise responses, just tell it. You can go to Settings, Personalization, then Custom Instructions to fill in your details, and ChatGPT will tailor every response to match your needs. It's like having your own personalized AI assistant. Alright, that wraps up our 18 powerful ChatGPT hacks that will take your AI game to the next level. If you found this video helpful, hit a like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your favorite hack. I've got more AI tips coming your way, so stay tuned, and see you in the next video.